Learning to correctly pronounce the Z sound can be challenging for ESL students, but with practice and guidance, it can be achieved. Two words that offer opportunities to practice the Z sound are zebra and zero. Let's start with zebra. The Z sound in zebra is found at the beginning of the word. To pronounce it correctly, place the tip of your tongue against the back of your top front teeth. Then, release a continuous voiced airflow, making the Z sound like a buzzing bee. Say zebra several times, focusing on articulating the Z sound clearly. Now, let's move on to zero. The Z sound in zero is located in the middle of the word. To pronounce it accurately, use the same tongue placement as before, maintaining that buzzing sensation. Remember to use a voiced sound, which means that your vocal cords vibrate as you produce the sound. Practice saying zero multiple times, ensuring that the Z sound is prominent and audible. For further practice, consider using these words in sentences. I saw a zebra at the zoo yesterday. Focus on enunciating the Z sound in zebra. 2. My bank account balance is zero. Highlight the Z sound in zero as you speak. Zoe loves to play with her zebra-striped toys. Pay attention to the Z sounds in both Zoe and zebra. The temperature outside is 0 degrees. Practice the Z sound in zero in this sentence. We need to zoom to zero in on the zebra. Emphasize the Z sound in all three words in this sentence. Additional vocabulary: zebra, zoo, zero, zucchini, lazy, zesty, lazy, lizard, sizzling. Remember that consistent practice is the key to mastering the Z sound in English. Use diverse sentences that contain the target words to enhance your pronunciation skills. By incorporating these words into your daily language practice, you will improve your ability to articulate the Z sound effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be saying zebra and zero with confidence and ease.